In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the sort by option in Shopify so you can control how products appear inside your collections. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click Products. After that, select Collections. Now open the collection you want to edit. Inside the collection settings, scroll down until you find the Products section. Here you'll see the Sort drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll get different sorting options like best selling, alphabetically, price, created date or manual. Choose the sorting method you want for your collection. If you select manual, you can drag and rearrange products in any order you like. Once you finish editing the sort order, click Save at the top right corner. Your collection will now display products using the new sorting option you selected. And that's it. You've successfully edited the sort by functionality in Shopify. Thanks for watching.